What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Your boy Rich from RICHTVLIVE. I'm the real one. I'm the real one. Not the fake one, but the real one. I'm the real one. I'm the real one. Not the fake one, but the real one. See this right here? That proves that I'm a true Hightimes investor. And Hightimes just announced that the IPO is now going to go public. And guess what? You guys get to know first. And who invested in them first? You know what's funny? Do you know how many people said? They would never go public and that we got robbed? Where are you guys at now, man? Yo, you guys want to see some mountains? I'm a real one. I'm a real one. I'm not a fake one. I'm a real one. It's true. Yep. Never lost hope. Always believed it would be back. Always repped the jacket. Always wore the jacket. Never once wavered. Always believed Hightimes would make it right. And guess what? Hightimes just announces that they are going to do their IPO. They've been cleared to list their shares on the OTC markets, which means my shares will be free trading and my money will be free. Almost $6,000 I invested in Hightimes that was just sitting there for over a year. Almost a year and a half. And finally, my shares are becoming free, which means the shares will become free trading. I already have the shares sitting on my desk. I've already talked to the transfer agent. Transfer agent just said they're just waiting. And pretty soon they're going to send the shares right into my brokerage account at TD Bank. And voila, the shares are in my trading account, baby. Let's go. Let's go. So it feels good as a Hightimes investor that, and I know I'm not the only one, because I believe there's 23,000 Hightimes investors worldwide. So it feels good to know that I'm not the only one and that our shares will now be free trading. So anybody who is a Hightimes investor, breaking news, Hightimes has announced that their shares have been cleared to trade on the OTC markets. It's epic news. Huge news for anybody who has invested in Hightimes. And if you haven't invested in Hightimes, it's not too late. You have until March 31st, I believe, to own shares, if you still want to get in some shares. I'm in Vancouver. Man. See those mountaintops? Only in Vancouver do you got weather like this. Those mountaintops still have snow on them. Sunshine and blue skies, baby. Sunshine and blue skies. Top of the world, ma. Top of the world. How do you buy Hightimes shares? Just go to Hightimes website, hightimesinvestor.com. And you can purchase your shares. They're at $11 per share. Am I ever coming to New Zealand? Wasn't planning on it anytime soon, but you never know in the future. I guess if there's a reason for me to be in New Zealand, I could go to New Zealand, but it would have to be a really good reason. It wasn't on my agenda anytime soon. But getting those shares of Hightimes, that's on my agenda. That's on my agenda. Getting those shares from Hightimes as an investor. And I've been holding those shares for quite some time. So it's nice to hear that they're actually going public, which means that money will be free and clear and available to me in hopefully a couple months. Apparently you have until March 31st to get your shares before they close up the Regulation A offering, which they're using to sell shares. And currently there are 23,000 shareholders worldwide, of which I am a shareholder. That's why I have this jacket, because I am a true one. You won't see anybody else wearing this jacket. I'm a true one. I'm a real investor in the cannabis sector. I'm a true cannabis enthusiast. I can't speak for anybody else, but I'm a real one. That's why I got this jacket. You only get this jacket when you're an investor. And you invest over $5,000. You can buy shares at hightimesinvestor.com. Just tell them Rich TV Live sent you. Put in a good word for your boy. So I heard about this at Rich TV Live. And I'm not sitting here telling you guys to buy shares. Do whatever you want. I'm not telling you to buy shares. I'm not telling you to sell shares. I'm not telling you when to buy shares. I'm not telling you when to sell shares. I'll share with you what I do. It's up to you guys to decide what you want to do. You may like these shares. You might not like these shares. You might think the price is too high. You might think it's going to go lower. A lot of people saying it's going to go lower. Yo, what's up, Kyle? How you doing, bro? HITM is the ticker. High Times, HITM. They're not public. They're going to be doing their IPO very, very soon. If you have shares like me and you got in early, you got them at $11. I just like the name. I think it's an iconic name and I wanted to be a part of it. So now I'm a part of it. So I'll be able to talk about it as they go public. Pretty excited about it. And hopefully I'll be able to get High Times on our show. So stay tuned to that. It's a very huge name. It's a very huge name. The IPO price is $11. $11. Kyle says, I want to be a part 2 and the coat. Yeah, I mean, all you got to do is invest and you'll get dressed and you'll be blessed. I'm just excited. I wasn't expecting that today. I was having a nice day anyways. And then all of a sudden, hey, Rich, by the way, some of your shares that have been sitting there dead money is turning into money again. Oh, that's nice. Great. That's like a trip to the DR right there. Probably go on a trip to the DR with my High Times money, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Why the hell not, right? What are you guys going to do with your High Times money? So, yeah, the big news, High Times IPO is set to launch. And they've been approved to list their shares on the OTC markets. Puerto Plata. My villa's in Puerto Plata, not in Punta Cana. But I'm down to party in Punta Cana. But, you know, I got a villa in Puerto Plata. So, down by Cabarete Beach. You guys ever been to Cabarete Beach? That's my home away from home. I love the Dominican Republic. Probably be there soon. Mind you, the weather's getting really nice here, as you guys can tell. I don't even need this jacket. I'm just wearing this jacket because it's actually hot. But I'm wearing this jacket because I'm a real one. See that? There ain't nobody that's got that. That's a real one right there. That's a real one. There ain't nobody else that's got that. I'm the only one. Everybody else, they all just fake it till they make it. But then there's the real one. There's that guy. There's that Rich TV guy. The real one. Then there's that real one. There's a lot of fake ones, and there's one real one. So, yeah. High Times, man. I'm a High Times investor and have been since day one. I talked about it. That video's got like over 15,000 views where I first talked about making my first investment into High Times. I made actually another one after that, and I've stuck it through and through all the people saying they were going to go bankrupt, through all the people saying that they were going to steal our money, through all the people that said that they were never going to go public. I stuck it through, and now they're going to go public, and those shares are going to have value. That's what it is when you're an investor. Hopefully the stock goes to 20 bucks, and it would be a huge investment. I'm not suggesting it's going to go to 20 bucks. It might go to 5. But it might go to 20. You never know. It's High Times. Stay tuned. I'll keep you guys updated. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, a real one, a real high times investor. We now are going public. Our shares are going to IPO. It's true. And your boy's bringing you the news first. So that's what we do. We bring in the news and we bring it to you first. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. I'm going to go enjoy the sunshine. I'm out. Peace. Thank you, High Times. Let's make it a great one. Let's go, baby. Let's go, champ. I'll keep you updated. Peace. See that snow on the mountaintops right there? That's snow. The mountains. See the mountains? Snow. Peace.